In this video, I will explain how to add breaks to your Empower chart. Breaks allow you to cut out data ranges from the chart, for example, to make smaller columns more visible. In this example, very small columns are next to very large ones, which makes the chart difficult to read. Breaks help here. To add breaks, click on the Lines menu in the action bar above the selected chart. You can insert either value axis breaks on the vertical value axis or category breaks on the horizontal category axis. Let's start by adding a value axis break. A new window opens where you can set the new break. The extent of the hidden value range of the break can be set automatically or manually. If you click on Automatic, an automatic break logic is used, which calculates the size of a break to balance the clarity and readability of the chart as much as possible. The automatic mode usually achieves an optimal result. Individual series can also be explicitly excluded. In the manual mode, you can set the value range of the break manually. In this case, it is helpful to first display the value axis and consider which section you want to cut out from the axis and the chart. Then enter the start and end values in the corresponding fields. If you click on the value axis directly in the chart, you can manage the value axis breaks in the associated overlay menu. If you select Category Break, a dialog window opens where you can set the desired breaks. Category breaks are essentially small visual markers placed on the chart to visualize a jump in the category axis, for example. A common use case for this are time leaps in the category axis. With a click on the category break, you can adjust its color and edit its position. You can also use multiple breaks. Thank you for watching and goodbye.